That's right, Elise. In fact, starting off today, we could get a couple of little spotty sprinkles, light showers. The bigger rain will come our way overnight tonight, especially after midnight through Saturday morning, but it's not going to be a complete washout for your Saturday. So let's talk about that. So here's what's happening right now. This is our current clouds and radar. You can see those clouds moving across our area. And then within that, we have a few of those little spotty areas that are getting a light shower, just a little bit of a sprinkle here and there. Now down here between Gilmer and Fannin counties, there may actually be a little bit of wintry mix that's coming down in those higher elevations up into the mountains with those colder temperatures. But again, very few and far between. And that's really going to be the story for the day today. Just these kind of intermittent little sprinkles and showers. Now I'm going to pull back further and you can see where more of that is coming from. That's going to be heading across our area. Where the rain will be coming from tonight and tomorrow morning is all due to this cold front. So over the next several hours, that's going to be moving eastward closer to our region, and that will trigger those showers for early on Saturday morning through about noontime. So let's focus on right now. Here are those temperatures. Again, the coldest air is to the east, where we did have a little bit of that pink showing up on the map. So 29 degrees in Murphy, 30 in Blue Ridge. We have 33 right here in Chattanooga. Notice though, for our western areas, not quite as cold this morning. In fact, we have several spots right there in the 40s. Scottsboro, though, still in the 30s at 36 degrees. No wind at this time, but overall, especially for the eastern 2/3 of our area, you probably do still want that winter coat this morning with those temperatures right around the freezing mark, and then not quite as bad up to the north and west. So here we go, hour by hour then for your Friday. So staying around that 33-degree mark for the next few hours, 34 at 8 a.m. And then we're going to rise up from there. So our afternoon highs today will be warmer than yesterday, but don't expect quite as much blue sky and sunshine like we had yesterday. So overall today, partly to mostly cloudy skies, hitting 52 degrees at noontime, and then afternoon highs across our area in the mid to upper 50s. I think we'll be in the upper 50s in Chattanooga, so 58 at 3 o'clock and at 4 p.m. Again, there will be those few little spotty light little showers, very intermittent throughout the day, but I want to go ahead and show you the rain chances for Friday night into Saturday morning. That's when the rain's going to be picking up, so kind of a 10% chance for any given hour on this Friday. But once we get to midnight, and especially I think once we get to after 2 a.m., that's really when we'll start to see those rain chances increasing through Saturday morning, and then it's going to start to dwindle down as we approach noontime. So if you are heading out Saturday morning, again, that raincoat needed. Today, raincoat's not necessary, but if you are really kind of a stickler for that and you want to have one, you can, because we will have a few of those little green blips hitting our area here and there. Again, more clouds for your Friday. Wind really picking up from the south. That's going to help our temperatures be warmer, even though we'll have less sunshine today. In fact, gusting at times at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. You can see a couple of those little green blips here and there. Let's go ahead and take you to the overnight hour. So here's showing about 3:30 in the morning. You can certainly see those scattered showers then at that point being much more likely ahead of that cold front. So through your early morning hours of Saturday, that front is going to pass our area, and then pretty much out of here by noon. There may still be a stray shower at about 1 p.m., but overall, morning time dealing with rain showers, afternoon on Saturday, dry. In fact, you get to enjoy some mild temperatures and clearing clouds for your Saturday afternoon into the evening time. And then once again, some of that colder air is going to move into our area for Saturday night into Sunday. So highs on Saturday in the low 60s, highs on Sunday only in the low 50s. We will have another batch potentially on Sunday morning of some scattered light showers to move across our area as well. So total rainfall from Saturday and Sunday, about 1/10 of an inch to a 1/2 inch on average. So it's certainly not going to be that soaking event like we had Tuesday night through Wednesday morning of this week, but just some additional rainfall on top of that. So not a washout for your weekend, but again, especially Saturday morning, watch out for that rain. Today, 59 degrees for your high temperature. That spotty sprinkle chance, I already mentioned it, that wind from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting at 20 to 25, partly to mostly cloudy skies for your Friday. Then tonight, 51. Pretty quiet in the evening time. Those showers really starting up after midnight. That south wind will continue. And as we look ahead to tomorrow, 63 for your high temperature. Morning time showers, but the afternoon really pleasant. That wind shifting from the south to eventually out of the north. And then here's a check of your full 7-day forecast. So 52 then becomes the high on Sunday, so a little bit cooler then. Then we start to stair step back up, but do notice those higher rain chances for Monday and Tuesday of next week. In fact, really every day next week looks like we will at least have some scattered showers at some point.
Well, with the rain on Saturday morning, main times 24 is also Saturday morning,
yes.
So people need to be ready for that with the rain coming, and just be prepared for those temperatures to continue to stay low.
Yeah.
But thank you, Allison.